Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Achieving the water target is crucial for sustainable development and human dignity. Poverty and hunger can never be eradicated if water challenges are not well addressed. Acknowledging the central role of water, Indonesia has placed water as a top priority on its development agenda. Ensuring equitable access to safe water and sanitation facilities for our 275 million population is the main objective of the Indonesian government now. Climate change has disrupted weather patterns, which leads to extreme weather, unpredictable water availability, exacerbating water scarcity, and contaminating water supplies. Those water-related challenges, including limited access to safe water sanitation, are increasing pressure on water resources and ecosystems. Disasters as well as an exacerbated risk of droughts and floods have received increasing attention globally. Indonesia is therefore fully committed to achieve sustainable resilience by implementing climate adaptation and mainstreaming disaster risk reduction in its development planning. To the 10th World Water Forum next year in Bali, Indonesia. Let us work together in fulfilling the water target for the sake of humanity. Let's be bold in new and improved action-oriented commitments to achieve our objective. I thank you.
Doy las gracias al